Y'all, this is like every pregnant girl that craves ice dreams is just a Nugget Ice Maker at home. And I found one and it's on sale. So yeah, let's get this set up. Okay, so it was really easy to like get out of the box and everything. Now I'm just gonna read the instructions, and it also came with bags and a scooper. Okay, it says for the first time using to clean it, like put the water in and then clean it before you do the ice. So I'm gonna add some water and then do the cleaning mode, and then I'll come back when I'm adding the water to make the ice. Okay, so basically right now it's just cleaning itself before I make the actual ice. It's like the perfect, like, tiniest cubes. And they're like, when they're fresh. I'm never gonna let it finish making, so I'm gonna sit here and eat it as they draw. I'm gonna put the link for the one that I got down below. It is on sale right now, and it is 1000% worth it. So get one.